Hey, good afternoon, Jared. We're here on location with formerly Jane Schneider. Jane and I were classmates when we were in gym. Her family is going to be selling the old Pleasant Grove Schoolhouse here that's just behind us, located just south of Navarre here on State Route 21, about probably 2.5 miles. Jane's grandparents, the farm right across the street was a truck farm, and that's how this piece got attached there. So it's been a lot of history. What, 18 was it? 1892?
The school was, and the family had the property here and bought it in
1835 is when the Schrock family purchased this, and then the school was built here. So the date's going to be, remind me, Jared, what's the date?
June 4th.
June 4th. Okay.
Check out our website, DuttonAuctions.com.
Yep, check the website. Just a great property here, this old schoolhouse, and it's just in very nice original condition. Anybody looking for this type of property, even if you're not, just a great